Hello guys, myself Neeraj Pariyar from First Rank Education Academy. One of our subscribers has asked us to prepare a video on the board examination. So today our video is based on how to prepare the exam and how to increase the focus on your study. Here I don't want to give you a 5-minute motivational video, but we will assure you if you watch this video till the end, then definitely there is no requirement to watch any other motivational video. You may be in any of the class or you are going to prepare for any examination. Here in this video, we will give you so many practical examples which will really help you to boost up your focus on your study. And if you are facing any problem and if you want to know about any particular topic and if you want to know some information about any particular topic, then write in our comment section. So we will try to make a video on that. So subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a regular notification of our further videos. So first of all, first thing to increase the focus on your study, don't wait for motivation and motivation for the study. So guys, don't waste your time to watch again and again motivational video. Rather than giving the time behind that to watch the motivational video, that much of time you should give behind your study. Because motivation is like a petrol. Again and again you will be filled up and again it will be finished. Here the actual required thing to do is to change your thinking. No one have a desire to do the study, but study has to do. Or even those persons who are good in the study, even they are also not like to do the study. But they are doing the study since they don't want to do the regret for that. They know if they will not do the study, they will fail, and if they will fail in the examination, they will regret for that. So conclusion comes here to for all of this that today's pain is better than tomorrow's regret. If you will understood this thing, then there is no need for the motivation for the study. So the first most important thing was don't wait for any motivation. The second most important thing is always to be a loner. Don't fear, here we are not telling you to be a loner for a life, but we tell you to be a loner till your exam. If you will talk less and you will be a loner, whatever you have studied, it will be processed in your mind. And don't waste your time with the rubbish talk with your friends and on social media. You can talk to your family members. If you want to focus on your study till the exam, we will suggest you to be a loner. The people should know that that fellow has been disappeared from life. But actually, at that time, you are going to be prepared for your exam. But the third most important thing to focus on your study, that is to fight with your heart. Your heart will be confuse you a lot. Your mind will say to do the study, but your heart will say no, I will do the study later on. Now the study and exam logical things, you should always listen to your mind, not to your heart. And just you have to think, if your friend will be in this situation, what you will be advised to him. Whatever you will be advised, the same thing you have to follow. So till your exam is not over, you should always not to listen your heart, and you have to do whatever is needful to your study. The third most important thing, to always fight with your heart. The fourth most important thing to increase the focus on your study, to make a productive schedule. Always make a productive schedule, because without a good plan, no one can achieve anything. You should always think for that how many marks you want to get, and these marks are practical and achievable or not. It should not be like that the whole year you have not studied and now you will be get above 95%. Always goals should be practical and realistic according to your strength and caliber. That you plan your study very well and plan your hours according to that study. At initial stage, first you study 1 and 1.5 hours and take some break. Again you will do the study for 1.5 hours and take a break. And this way you can develop a long hour study habits. Don't waste your time to find these shortcuts And this way, the long hour study will really help you to understand the topics and your subject. And this way, you will get day by day lots of confidence. One thing is most important here, that the hard work is the only key of smart work. So the fourth most important thing is always make a productive schedule. This will really help you to boost up your confidence about your study. The fifth most important thing to increase the focus on your study is to change your views and remove the fear. Yes, change your views and remove the fear regarding exam. It is one exam only, and whatever will come in exam, it will be come from your syllabus. Okay, anything will not become out of your syllabus. So prepare your topics well and give a proper hard work behind your subject. Don't think that exams are boring or like that. It is not like that. It depends on person to person different. You have to think that just like in a life other things are necessary, the same way the exam is also necessary. If you want to make a good career, then you have to do the study and you have to make a good score in your exam. Your books has been prepared by the man and it has been studied by the man. So if others can do, you also can do. Just you have to think that you have to do studies since you want to make a good career. So give your hard work behind today's plan and schedule. So this way, this above 5 things will really help you to increase the focus on your study. Practice these 5 things and definitely it will be give you a lots and lots confidence day by day practicing. When you will be keep in practicing in your day-to-day life, this will really help you and definitely it will be increase your focus on your study. So till then, have a good day. See you.